Welcome to our exploration of the smooth command in Splunk search processing language. The smooth command is a powerful tool for data smoothing that helps us apply smoothing algorithms to reduce noise in time series data. This command is essential when working with data that contains fluctuations or irregular patterns that make it difficult to identify underlying trends. By smoothing our data, we can create cleaner visualizations and better understand the true patterns hidden within noisy datasets. The smooth command serves a specific purpose in data analysis. It reduces noise in time series data by applying mathematical smoothing algorithms to create cleaner and more readable trends. When you have data points that jump up and down irregularly, the smooth command helps you see the overall direction and pattern by averaging out these fluctuations. This is particularly useful when analyzing metrics like CPU usage, network traffic, or any other time-based measurements where temporary spikes or dips might obscure the underlying trend. The basic syntax for the smooth command follows a simple structure. You start with the word smooth, followed by the field name that contains the data you want to smooth. After the field name, you can optionally specify a window parameter using window equals n, where n is the number of data points to include in the smoothing calculation. You can also specify an algorithm parameter using algorithm equals type, where type refers to the specific smoothing method you want to use. These optional parameters allow you to customize how the smoothing is performed based on your specific needs. The smooth command has two key parameters that control its behavior. The window parameter determines the number of data points to include in the smoothing calculation. A larger window creates smoother results but may lose some detail, while a smaller window preserves more detail but provides less smoothing. The algorithm parameter specifies the smoothing method to use. You can choose from moving average, exponential smoothing, or polynomial smoothing. Each algorithm has different characteristics and is suitable for different types of data patterns. Here are two common examples of using the smooth command. In the first example, we create a time chart showing the average CPU usage, then apply the smooth command to the average CPU usage field to reduce noise in the visualization. This creates a cleaner trend line that's easier to interpret. In the second example, we smooth the response time field with a custom window size of 5. By specifying window equals 5, we tell Splunk to use 5 data points for each smoothing calculation, which provides a moderate level of smoothing suitable for most response time data. When using the smooth command effectively, there are two key best practices to remember. First, choose the proper window size based on your data frequency and noise level. If your data has high-frequency noise, use a larger window. If your data changes rapidly and you need to preserve detail, use a smaller window. Second, use the smooth command with timechart for better visualization results. Apply the smooth command after creating your time series data, as this ensures that the smoothing is applied to properly time-ordered data, resulting in more accurate and meaningful smooth trends. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.